Welcome friends. We come to the most important question in trading. When I say most important, what I mean is this is the question asked the most by beginner traders and those who have even been trading for 1-2 years. They have this question big time, right? And what is the question? The question is, which chart duration should I use? Should I trade a 1 minute chart? Should I trade a 3-minute chart? For day trading, is 5 minute better or 15 minute better? For long term or mid term trading, how many minutes are more, right? This is a very valuable lesson, and usually you do not find clear-cut answers to this question of choosing the right chart direction. So I'm going to give you the right answers, and be sure to listen to this lesson at least twice, if not thrice, right? So that you understand, so that you do not have any confusion here. I'll try my best to clarify it in such a way that you have no confusion left ever in choosing the right chart duration. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so what is the meaning of a 1 minute chart? Now, let's understand. The meaning of a 1 minute chart is, right now we are here, right? So price is actually going up from here. The meaning of a 1 minute chart is each of this candle is 1 minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this 6 candles are showing you in the last 6 minutes the price has gone up. So each candle is 1 minute candle. But if I go and change this to a 5 minute candle, then this one candle is 5 minutes. And this is the previous 5 minutes. So just now you saw that I can see 6 candles for 6 minutes. But because you are now looking at a 5 minute chart, the last 5 minutes candles got compressed into one candle. So it's longer than the previous ones that you saw. And the prior than 5 minute candle also shows you green, right? Because 6 minutes was green, right? So if you go to a 15-minute chart, things get interesting now. For a 15-minute chart, you can see that each candle is 15 minutes here, right? So these 4 candles together indicate 1 hour. So in the last 1 hour, in the last 15 minutes, price has been bullish. Before that 15 minutes, it has been bearish. Before that 15 minutes, it actually was unsure. It did not go bullish, it did not go bearish. It's actually a doji, indicating a market reversal. And before that it was bullish, right? So that is how you can see the trend of the market, right? But what is this showing you? This is showing you that for the last 15, 30, 45, 1 hour, 2 hours. For the last 2 hours, market is coming down. Now, if you see that for the last 1 hour, market is coming down, and right now the candle is red, what do? You immediately short, right? Because that is how you understand the market trend. Now look here. For last 3 hours plus, the market is going down, right? So this is fantastic, right? This is precisely what you want to see. And this whole thing becomes very interesting when you go to the 1 hour candle. So when you go 1 hour, each candle depicts 1 hour. So 24 candles will be last 24 hours. That means 1 day. So in last 1 day, what has happened, right? The market has been bullish, came down a bit, bullish, came down a bit, right? Where will it go next? Can you guess? Okay, I'll give you one more opportunity to guess, right? I'll give you one more hint. Okay, here is the second hint for you. If you have ever wondered, how come traders can predict directions correctly? How is it that other people get direction right and I always get it wrong? How is it that professional traders can see where the market is going next and put trades accordingly, and I am putting trades in the wrong direction, right? I'll show you how. Ready? Okay, come, let's take a look. So 1 hour chart, I'll just scroll a bit. Now, can you see something very clearly or not? Can you see something very clearly? Now, these lines are put by me, okay? But here, remember, this is 1 hour. So for the last, how many hours? Let's count this. Let's count a bit, right, to understand. Throughout this duration, right, and this is already more than 24 candles, so it's more than 24 hours, right? So let's say for the last 1.5 day, the market has been bullish, right? Now, if you were here or here or here or here, and you saw overall the market is going up, do you know that it's going to continue to go up? Yes, it is. And the second thing to note here is, look at volume. While it was going up, there were bursts where you have long green volumes, which is a lot of people who are trying to push the market up. A lot of people who believe that it's going to be bullish also, right? So when we look at this 1 hour candles, I can tell you that the last 8 hours if the market is bullish, then the next 2 hours it will be bullish, is quite sure. And in that 2 hours, you need to make your money and get out, right? So we are not saying if the last 8 hours were bullish, the next 8 hours will be bullish, right? This is a one-off trend. This is not what you see every time, correct? But in the last 8 hours, it was bullish. The next 1-2 hours will be bullish, is a safe bet, provided we also look at other indicators and understand the overall market direction, right? Now, notice what happened. After all of this streak, it actually fell for a while, went up, fell. And what happened next? What happened? I scroll to the side. It fell, it went up, it fell, it went up, it fell, it went up. So if you look at it like this, you will see that this is rather going sideways, right? It is not going up, it's not going down, but it's slowly went up a bit, but that cannot assure you that it will continue to go up, right? Now that the market has had such a huge bull run, it is going to fall more than this is quite sure also, right? Now why am I so sure? Let me show you. So on 1 hour chart, let us see, the market went up. Before that, it had all of this fall, right? So if I have to plot this to show you, let me plot it, and you will see that I have this straight fall in the market, right? This straight fall. Then from there, I have this straight rise in the market. All right, I have this straight rise in the market. Sorry about that. Okay, I have this straight rise, correct? And you will see that this pattern is continuing. And remember, we are on a 1 hour chart. That means we are looking at a daily pattern, right? Now, do you see that? It goes down, it goes up for a while, it goes down for a while, it goes up, it goes down. So this wave of the market continues, and once you see a 1 hour chart, you can see that it's falling. Chances of it from here are either go up or go down, right? That depends on where are we in the fall or where are we in the rise. So it has risen a lot. So will it fall from here? Very, very imminent. After it falls so badly, right? Next, it will definitely go up, right? Now, it may go up until here. In this case, it has gone until here. It may even go up until here. We don't know, right? When we are here, we don't know. But we know for sure it will go up. So I just wait to get the lowest peak and I put my long here. Whether I put it here, 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 I will get this rise. Now, if I open this up, maximize this, you will see it is not a straight rise. While it was rising, there were red candles, right? So you see, there are red candles there. But overall, it will rise until it reaches a certain peak and it falls again, right? So the next question then comes is, then boss, when will the peak be? Right now, any analysis of when will the next peak be can go wrong, right? So what do? We look at this. Now look how nicely this fellow is coming up. So when this is coming up like this, and there is quite a quarrel between the red and the green bars, so they appear intermittently, showing that the bulls and the bears are fighting. in effect over this period, you see the market is flat. It's flat, right? Price did not go up a lot, did not go down a lot. And this was between like 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24th of April, right? For 5-6 days, it went flat. And that is very boring for traders, right? And then once it started this move, it will continue this move for a while. It will definitely have a fall. It will definitely have a rise again. And then we look at the price, right? So if you look at the price of Bitcoin, you will then notice we went all the way back until December, right? So the December peak has never happened again. So if we just go to the more current level in the market, we will see, let's try to understand what will happen next based on this, right? Do you notice this guy? Very long green candle, yeah? Okay. So it has actually gone up all this way, it has come down a bit, and it is going up again, right? It's going up again. While it's going up again, it will drop a bit, go up, drop a bit, go up. But if you plot a trend like you see this line, it's touching all the bases, the line is going up. So this fellow is going up, right? Now, while it is going up, there will be one serious correction. There will be one severe correction like this one. There will be, right? There will be, and it will then continue to go up or down. Also, you look at price action. This is like 9.7, right? And 9.7 is the highest that it has been in the last 3 months. So we wouldn't expect it to go to 9.7 again, but between 9.5 and 9,000 is a very safe bet to trade, right? Where you say that I will play this region of long and short. All right. So did you understand how the 1 minute, 3 minute and 5 minute helps you? So in normal trading, in day trading, normal day trading, you can actually use a 3 minute chart because you are going to put your trades now. Now you see your RSI has stopped. It has turned in already. And your MACD is very, very bullish, right? So it still has to turn in and cross the orange for the price to fall. This part of the MACD also shows bullish. So will the price come down or it may go further up? So according to my guess right now, it will go further up because the MACD is too bullish and there is quite some strength. Look, all these candles are long, right? They are not short. So there is strength. So it will go for 1 or 2 red but continue the green for a while before it falls, right? So you should use a 3 minute chart, and when you use a 5 minute chart, you are even more safer, right? So because you can see the last 15 minutes, 20 minutes, if the market is trending in one direction. Now, if for 1 hour is trending in one direction, you know that it may turn its route. If it turns down, will it turn down? Most likely, yes, right? Most likely, yes. So similarly, if you were here, somewhere here, you knew it will go up. It did go up, right? So 5 minute really helps you. And when you want to look at the overall trend, that is when you look at 15 minute, 30 minute and 1 hour charts, when you want to understand the overall trend. So overall trend here is up, and then now here is forming the up. Then if the 3 minute trend matches this up, I can go long. If the 3 minute trend is a down, then I need to wait until I get the bottom to put my long to go up, right? So we compare the 3 minute trend, the 15 minute trend, the 5 minute trend and the 1 hour trend to understand the overall market direction and what is happening right now, to get a feel of the overall market direction. And then we have a decision, should we go a long or a short, looking at other indicators also. All right. So I hope that clarifies to you very clearly which duration to use when studying long-term market directions. You use 1 hour, 15 minutes. Trading, you use 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Absolutely, when you want to close the price and you want to see immediately next, then momentarily for a while you can look at 1 minute and say, gosh, last 5 minutes is coming down, right? So if I want to close my position, I better close now. If I don't close now, I will even get lesser profit, right? Because the going up has stopped. So this is when we want to take a very short quick decision, we look at the last 5-7 minutes what's happening, then we look at a 1 minute chart. Alright, and you can see how bullish the whole trend was. Very bullish, right? Alright, so that's the end of this lesson, and I hope that clearly explains you market directions and which one to choose.